Have you ever wondered how your favorite bag of Lay's potato chips gets that perfect crunch and irresistible flavor? Well, you're about to find out. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive, behind-the-scenes journey deep inside a state-of-the-art Lay's factory to uncover the secrets behind America's most beloved snack. From a humble potato in the field to the crispy chip in your hand. Get ready to be amazed. Let's go. The story of every Lay's chip begins not in a factory, but on a farm. Lay's partners with dedicated farmers, many of whom have been growing potatoes for generations. They cultivate special varieties of potatoes, chosen specifically for their optimal starch and sugar content. This is crucial because it determines the chip's final color and texture. After the potatoes reach their peak, they are carefully harvested and transported directly to the factory, ensuring they are as fresh as possible. This farm-to-factory speed is the first step in guaranteeing that signature Lay's quality. It's a massive operation, with trucks arriving around the clock, ready to unload tons of premium potatoes. Once the potatoes arrive, they don't sit around for long. The first stop is the sorting and washing station. As they tumble along a conveyor belt, an initial quality check removes any stones, debris, or subpar potatoes. Then, they enter a giant washing machine that gently tumbles and scrubs them clean, getting them ready for the next stage. It's like a spa day for potatoes. This step is essential not just for hygiene, but also to prepare the potatoes for a smooth and even peeling process. Every single potato is treated with care to ensure only the best make it through. Next up is peeling. Forget hand peeling with a peeler like you do at home. In a Lay's factory, this is done on an industrial scale using a steam peeler. The potatoes are briefly exposed to high-pressure steam, which heats the water just under the skin. When the pressure is suddenly released, the skin just pops right off. It's an incredibly efficient method that removes only a very thin layer, minimizing waste and preserving as much of the potato as possible. After peeling, they get another rinse and a final inspection by both human eyes and advanced optical sorters to make sure they are absolutely perfect before heading to the slicing stage. Now, for the part that defines a potato chip, the slicing. The peeled potatoes are propelled at high speed towards a set of razor-sharp rotating blades. This is where the magic of the perfect Lay's chip happens. The blades are precisely calibrated to cut each potato into ultra-thin slices, consistently just a few millimeters thick. This uniformity is key to ensuring that every chip fries to the same level of crispiness. The speed and precision here are breathtaking. Thousands of perfect slices are created every single minute, ready to become the crispy delights we all know and love. From the slicer, the raw potato slices are immediately washed one more time in cold water. This might seem redundant, but it's a critical step. This final rinse washes away excess surface starch. Why is that important? Too much starch can cause the chips to stick together in the fryer and can also lead to uneven browning. By removing it, Lay's ensures that each chip fries individually, resulting in that light, crispy texture and beautiful golden color. After the wash, they are air-dried to remove surface moisture, preparing them for their fiery bath. And now, we arrive at the heart of the factory, the fryer. The potato slices travel along a conveyor and gently slide into a huge, continuously flowing vat of hot, clean cooking oil. We're talking about a fryer that can be as long as a swimming pool. The temperature of the oil is constantly monitored and controlled to the exact degree. The slices float along, sizzling and bubbling as they cook, transforming from soft potato slices into golden crispy chips in just about 3 minutes. The continuous flow ensures every chip is cooked to perfection, never too greasy or undercooked. The sight and sound of it is truly mesmerizing. As the perfectly golden chips emerge from the fryer, they travel along another conveyor belt, allowing excess oil to drip off. While they are still hot, they enter the seasoning drum. This is where the flavor is born. Inside this massive, slowly rotating tumbler, the chips are gently tossed as a fine mist of Lay's signature seasoning is sprayed over them. Whether it's classic, sour cream and onion, or barbecue, the tumbling action ensures that every single chip gets an even coating of that delicious flavor. This process is carefully timed to make sure the seasoning adheres perfectly to the warm chips. After seasoning, the chips are almost ready. But first, they must pass the final, and perhaps most important, quality control inspection. A combination of high-tech optical scanners and skilled human inspectors check the chips one last time. The scanners can detect any imperfections in color or shape, automatically removing any chip that doesn't meet Lay's high standards. This rigorous final check guarantees that every chip in the bag is a good chip. It's a testament to the company's commitment to quality, ensuring you get the best snacking experience every time. Finally, we've reached the end of the line. Packaging the finished, seasoned, and inspected chips are conveyed to the automated bagging machines. Here's a cool fact. The bags are filled with more than just chips. To protect the delicate chips from breaking and to keep them fresh, the bags are inflated with nitrogen gas, not just air. This is why your bag of Lay's feels so puffy. The machines weigh the exact amount of chips for each bag, dispense them, Fill the bag with nitrogen, and then seal it tight. It happens in a flash. From there, the bags are packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores all over the country. So, from a carefully selected potato grown on a dedicated farm, through a high-tech process of washing, slicing, frying, and seasoning, the journey is complete. The next time you open a bag of Lay's and hear that satisfying crunch, you'll know the incredible amount of science, technology, and care that went into creating that perfect little chip. It's a remarkable process that turns a simple potato into a world-famous snack, all in just a matter of hours. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating tour of the Lay's Potato Chip Factory. It's amazing to see the journey from farm to flavor. If you found this video as interesting as we did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss our next behind-the-scenes adventure. What snack should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy snacking!